Each line expresses our identity, and every choice reflects our commitment to Brazilian design, high standards, and personalization. At Duoma, we combine comfort and authenticity to transform spaces into statements of style. And it all begins with the search for the finest raw materials. Because true design goes beyond form. It embraces well-being, durability, and excellence. Our cutting-edge structure and the expertise of our professionals turn ideas into reality. Every stage of the production process is carried out with precision and careful attention for every detail, from the robustness of the structure to the flawless upholstery finish. Technology and human talent walk side by side. Our pursuit of perfection is reflected in our rigorous quality control. Each piece is inspected to ensure that the Duoma standard reaches you, bringing comfort, sophistication, and the certainty of a lasting choice. Sofas that invite connection. Armchairs that embrace, benches that complement. Duoma furniture is designed to create spaces of comfort, inspire moments, and express your identity in every environment. Duoma, Brazilian furniture.